Hello everyone, I'm Leon Thomas Lewick. Here's your political news roundup for Wednesday, February 27th. A key part of one of the most important pieces of America's civil rights legislation could be in jeopardy. The Supreme Court heard arguments today on the Voting Rights Act of 1965. The provision in question requires 9 states, most of them in the South, to get permission from the federal government before they can change their voting procedures. It faced tough questioning, especially from the High Court's more conservative justices. Chief Justice John Roberts asked whether people in the South are considered more racist than those in the North. Justice Anthony Kennedy wondered how much longer Alabama would have to stay under the trusteeship of the U.S. government. Lawyers for Shelby County in Alabama are challenging the law. They say the problem it was designed to address has long been solved. President Obama and congressional leaders will meet to discuss the automatic budget cuts known as the sequester, but the meeting won't happen until Friday, several hours after the sequester officially takes effect. Since Congress returned from recess this week, there have been no open negotiations between Democrats, who want to reduce the deficit by combining spending cuts with higher taxes on the wealthy, and Republicans, who are saying no to any new taxes. Don't expect unemployment to drop below 6% until 2016. That's Fed Chairman Ben Bernanke's forecast. He presented it in the second of 2 days of hearings before Congress. The national jobless rate now stands at 7.9%. Bernanke also defended the Federal Reserve's bond buying program as a way to stimulate the economy without triggering inflation. He also urged Congress to take a gradual approach to dealing with the country's deficit. And Vice President Joseph Biden says this week's special election in Illinois sends a message that Americans want tighter control on weapons. Former state legislator Robin Kelly won a special primary election for Congress in the Chicago area, defeating the heavy favorite Congresswoman Debbie Halverson. She had the backing of the National Rifle Association, but she was the target of a $2 million ad campaign funded in part by New York City Mayor and billionaire Michael Bloomberg. The ads attacked Halverson's A rating from the NRA. Biden said the results sent a message to the NRA and to politicians around the country about support for strong gun safety without violating constitutional rights on gun ownership. That's your political news roundup for Wednesday, February 27th. I'm Leon Thomas Lewick. Stay logged on to rttnews.com for the latest political, economic, and stock market news all day long.